Hi guys, Michael Rivers from Limassol Skate School and V1 Fitness. This week I had quite a few questions about buying skates online and how to choose your correct size. Your foot should be at the end of your longest toe and your longest foot, because some people have a different size in each foot. It should just brush the edge of the inside of the skate, because your actual skating position is with your knees bent and your weight is always in the ball of the foot. And what happens when you do that is your foot goes further back into the skate, which is what it's designed to do, fits snugly into the heel, so it gives you a little bit of extra space in the front of the skate when you're in a skating position. Also, because your shins will be pressing against here, you do need to wear suitable thick long socks. Absolutely essential to get a proper fit of your skates. So bear that in mind when you're trying skates on or trying to work out your size. You should be wearing thick socks. These I get locally in Sports Direct. They're pretty good as a budget option, but there are a lot better options on the internet as well. So you might want to check them out, and I can send you links to those. So it tends to be typically that the skate size is going to be the same as your running shoe, where you just got that little bit of tiny extra space at the front so your toes are not banging against the front. You want to be comfortable, but you need the skate to be a snug, tight fit. Do not randomly pick the extra size. You'll see that on the websites, including Rollerblade. They say if you're unsure, choose an extra size up. They're doing that to protect themselves. In my experience, you need to be picking your correct size shoe that you would normally wear for running and working out, where you know it's just a little bit of extra space so your toes are not going to be touching the end when you're in the skating position. This is a skating position. This is not inline skating. If you do this, you will go backwards, but we'll be telling you how to skate properly in our skate classes once we begin again. So any questions on, if you want some more help and advice on choosing the right size for your skate, DM me on Instagram. I'm here to help everybody. Please make sure you only buy 80 millimeter size wheels. All our classes are based on that. If you buy smaller skates, ladies with the small feet, do not buy children's skates. They have slightly smaller wheels, which isn't the main issue. The main issue is the skate is designed for children's weight, not adults' weight. And if you have a small wheel with lesser bearings, lesser quality bearings, because they're designed for children, tiny children, not adults, then what happens when you join our class is you'll be left behind. You will not keep up with the group where everyone will be on 80 millimeter wheels. Very, very important. And do not buy bigger wheels because you're not experienced enough for bigger wheels yet. 80 millimeter skate, which is what this is here. This is a Rollerblade, a very good budget model with 80 millimeter wheels. It is an adult skate in ladies purple, pinkish purple. So do not buy children's skates. If you need more explanation on why that doesn't work, then again, DM me and I'll explain in more detail why you should not be wearing children's skates. I've had a lot of people turn up to our classes with hand-me-down skates from members of friends and family where their children's given up skating, and they think because their feet are small that they can wear the children's skates. It doesn't work. I've seen it many, many times over the years, been teaching, and you're going to have a miserable experience in our classes because you will not keep up with the rest of the group. There's a big difference in adult skates with 80 millimeter wheels and children's skates with the smaller wheels. All right, guys, any questions at all? I'm here to help you. DM me on Instagram, and I can send you links to various skates that I recommend, how to choose your correct sizing, how to measure your feet, and I look forward to seeing you when we reopen, hopefully very soon. Take care, guys. Have a good week. Bye.